JavaScript course strict mode. If you are not using strict mode in JavaScript, I recommend you start doing it. Strict mode available since ES5. Why would you want to do this? Well, the advantage is that it can help you prevent mistakes by telling you there is error. Let's check now how can we use. We can check I declare one variable a equal to 1 console a and output here 1. How can we use strict mode? Use strict. The directive looks like a string. Just put on the top of your script and save and see the output now. A is not defined. Why? Because when we are not use, it's ignore and already declare as a global variable. When you use strict mode, it should assign and value and declare let or counts. It's up to us. You can see no error. Let's check now with another example. Delete a, save, refresh, no error. We cannot identify what's going on. When I save and see again, syntax is a delete and unqualified identifier in strict mode. We cannot do this. Just I remove. It's help us on every step. Let's now we can check with function not define it var a comma b return a plus 10 and here I console not define it. Let's suppose 5 comma 1 or 5 comma 20. I comment out our port and let's check 15 output here and let's check now. If I use 2 times a 2 times a result it's different 30. Let's figure out why it's happened. First value when sent 10 and 10 20. If I pass here 2 expected 12. First variable ignored. I uncomment use strict and see the result now. Duplicate parameter name not allow. Another example. Let object equal to get return and console.log and I just comment out. This is just a readable property in JavaScript. If we are going to define object.x equal to For example, to save, we don't get any error. If I enable you strict mode, you can get error. Cannot set a property of object X which has only getter. It's already defined here is getter property. So when we are declare or change X value, we don't get any error. That's why I recommend. I hope you like this video. Until next video, goodbye. Constants variable JavaScript host series. Const is short form for constants variable. We are using const to declare constants unchanging variables instead of let or var. We already covered let in our previous video. In this video we will learn how can we use const variable and when we use